What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to format text in cells in Microsoft Excel. Formatting text in Excel is essential for making your data stand out and ensuring that your spreadsheets are easy to read and professional. Whether you are highlighting important figures, organizing data, or simply making your spreadsheet easier to navigate, these formatting tools are fundamental. To start, open your Excel file with text data in it. Select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Once selected, go to the Home tab where you find several groups of tools for formatting. First, let's apply some basic text formats: bold, italic, and underline. In the Font group of the Home tab, you'll find these options clearly marked. Click B to make your text bold, I for italic, and the underlined U to underline your text. These styles can help emphasize key data points. Now, let's add a border around your selected cells. Still in the Font group, click on the border icon. It looks like a square divided into 4. A drop-down menu will appear with various border options. Select the one that suits your needs, whether it's a border around the outside of the selected cells or lines in between. Changing the background color of your cells can significantly enhance the readability of your data. Click on the Fill Color button. It looks like a paint bucket in the Font group. Choose a color that improves visibility without being too harsh on the eyes. For font color, click the Font Color button next to the Fill Color button, which shows the letter A with the color line underneath it. Pick a color that contrasts well with the background for clarity. Changing fonts in Excel can also affect the readability and appearance of your text. To change the font, select the text whose font you wish to change, and then use the drop-down menu in the Fonts group of the Home tab. This menu displays all available fonts. Select one that fits the context of your data presentation. Remember, you can also access some of these formatting options quickly using the floating menu that appears when you right-click on the selected cells. This mini toolbar offers shortcuts for bolding, italicizing, and more, so you don't always have to go back to the Home tab. Formatting text in Excel cells not only enhances the visual appeal of your spreadsheet, but also helps in organizing and emphasizing the most critical parts of your data, making it more straightforward for others to understand at a glance. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.